Hi everyone, so today's video is super useful because if you're somebody who is having a major hair fall, or if you're facing the problem of hair thinning, or in general you want to go an extra mile to kind of improve your hair or scalp health, then you must keep watching. Before we jump into the video, I would like to share my hair journey with you all, just to make you guys understand what kind of hair I have and what are the problems I generally face with my hair. So my hair is generally towards on the dry side and थोड़े से frizzy है because of the coloring and hair straightening, जितने भी curls वगैरह हम लोग करवाते हैं तो उनसे generally थोड़े से जो hair होते हैं वो dry side पे आ जाते हैं, which is a normal thing. And if I talk about hair fall, so whenever I'm in India, मुझे hair fall की problem as such इतनी नहीं रहती, और but the moment I travel to the UK, and not from now, the same problem has been there from the year one. So whenever I used to travel back to the UK, my hair would actually fall a lot, and not like breakage, but literally hair fall right from the roots, and you would notice a lot of hair falling, especially when you're taking shower. So it was kind of an alarming situation for me that ऐसा क्यों होता है, because I wasn't able to understand this, change in country wala difference, or you would right away think कि I should go for some tests, maybe I should take some supplements and all those things, which is supplements are anyway a good thing, but just to rule out any other problem. So over the years I have realized, and I after doing all the DIYs and after doing all the research, I have finally I know that this happens because of, first, the hard water which is there in the UK, and second, lack of sunshine. It's a cold country, and sun is really important for our hair health, and that's what I've realized. So obviously मैंने काफ़ी चीज़ें और भी change करवाई हैं, like I've got the water softener, the shower head I've got it changed. I'm yet to get the water softener for the entire house, but the main bathroom I've got it changed. That is also useful if, for example, if you're living in the UK and if you're facing a similar situation. So one thing आप ऐसा आप करवा सकते हो. And secondly, I am an absolute believer in this oil, which I'm gonna share with you, and it is a miracle product for me. And how I discovered this hair oil, because जब lockdown था, I started using onion juice on my scalp, and it was working tremendously well. I think obviously एकदम से hair fall गायब नहीं होता, but it kind of minimizes, and that's what the truth is. And I don't want to give you false hopes or something. It's a gradual process. I was using onion juice on my scalp and it was working pretty well. So when I came across this oil, and obviously with my own twists and turns, so I realized इसमें जितने भी ingredients I have to use, they have been a part of my hair care journey at some point or the other. And if I'm mixing them all together, they are giving actually really good results. So that is a kind of my hair journey, that my hair falls a lot whenever I'm here in the UK. So I have to go a little extra mile. Okay, so this is something which is, and this is a natural, remedy that using all the ingredients which are easily available in your kitchen. And obviously अभी market में कितने सारे hair oils हैं, onion hair oil हैं, जो कि बहुत easily available है, and I absolutely love them. Even I use it sometimes. So they are good when you're on the go, but if you wanna go an extra mile, if you wanna pamper yourself, and if you wanna treat your hair with all natural ingredients which are made by yourself, then this is something which you will love, and which your scalp and hair will thank you later. So without further ado, let me jump directly into the recipe. Alright, so the recipe is very, very simple. There are a couple of things you have to keep in mind. Okay, the first thing is, during the entire procedure, you have to keep the flame on super low. Whatever the minimum level of your flame is, you have to make sure your oil is always on the lowest of flame. Okay, so the ingredients are also very simple. I think most of the ingredients are very easily available in your kitchen. सबसे पहला है coconut oil. I think सबके घर में coconut oil होता है. So coconut oil is actually a great ingredient for your hair. But I like to add a a spoon of another oil, which is castor oil. Castor oil is the magic, is a magical product for your hair, for your lashes, for your eyebrows, for your scalp and everything. But the only problem with castor oil is that you cannot use it by itself. Okay, it's a super thick oil, बहुत ज़्यादा thick होता है, and I have done that mistake, trust me. So I read online about castor oil, so I readily ordered it. और ये मैं बात कर रही हूँ 2-3 साल पहले की या फिर उससे ज़्यादा. So I applied castor oil just by itself अपनी scalp पे, and I tried washing it, and oh my god, it is so thick, you guys. इसको wash करने के लिए you need at least 3-4 times you have to wash your hair using the shampoo, which dries your hair further out. It's a mess. Don't do that. So never use castor oil just by itself. It's a super thick oil. Okay, जितना अच्छा करना होगा उसकी बजाय और बुरा ही हो जाता है. That's what I felt. So what I do is that I use coconut oil as the main base. Now it is absolutely up to you. You can use mustard oil या जो भी आपको oil पसंद है. But I have only tried coconut oil till now. So I'm just showing you my recipe. So I'm taking like 3 to 4 spoons मैं coconut oil लेती हूँ, and I take 1 spoon of castor oil. So the ratio is like that. Castor oil अगर आपके पास easily available, अगर आपके पास घर पर नहीं है तो I ordered it from Amazon, तो आपको कहीं से भी मिल जाता है. Just it won't be a problem, I'm pretty sure. So that is one thing you need to. And the next ingredient are the red onions. Okay, तो जो भी आपके घर में प्याज आप use करते हो, तो you don't have to use white onion in this. So you have to specifically use red onion for this recipe. I have tried both, and red onions were the best. So that's why I'm telling you, please use red onions, not the white onions. And I think 1 या 2 onions आप use कर सकते हैं. So I've just finally chopped them here. And उसके बाद you need fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds या फिर जिसको हम बोलते हैं मेथी seeds are a blessing for your hair. And not in this recipe, I have used the fenugreek water before. Also like a couple of years back, and it actually worked pretty well for my spraying that in your scalp, keeping it for like 1 hour, half an hour to 1 hour, and then washing it away. And similarly मैंने onions भी ऐसे onion का juice use किया हुआ है. So these 2 ingredients I have used in the past. So fenugreek seeds, as it is, you have to use like around 1 to 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds you can use. And then the ingredient is curry leaves, और जिसको हम बोलते हैं कड़ी पत्ता. So if you have the fresh ones, oh my god, nothing like it. But I have the dried ones, so I'm gonna use these. So a handful of curry leaves, nothing, no apt measurement. One ingredient which I'm missing here, okay, which is called black seed or kalonji. If you have at home, I didn't have it at home, so मैंने इसलिए use नहीं करी है. So if you have that, just use 1 spoon of that also. Otherwise, this much is also absolutely fine, trust me. Okay, so the procedure is very simple. Again, I'm telling you, just make sure you are keeping the flame on low at all time, because the idea is not to burn the oil. The idea is not to make the oil quickly. We want to keep the ingredients for as long as possible in the oil on the gas, so that जितने भी उसकी अच्छी nutrients है वो हमारे oil में आ सके. So you have to take a utensil, अगर if possible take something, take a बर्तन जिसके जो base होता है वो ज़्यादा thick हो ताकि oil burn ना हो. And take 3 to 4 spoons of coconut oil, okay, and 1 spoon of castor oil. Castor oil ज़्यादा नहीं लेना, so 1:4 की ratio मेरे लिए it works pretty well. So keep the amount of castor oil really low. And then as the oil is heating up, आप उसके साथ में ही starting में ही add fenugreek seeds first, okay. Don't wait for it to go all brown and then add all the ingredients. So what I do is I add fenugreek seeds first. I kind of give it a nice stir, and then I would add the red onions, okay. Then mix it nicely and उसको अपने आप कुक होने दो. But keep an eye, okay. Don't leave it क्योंकि it's not sizzling or anything like that, so I can do my other work. No, it's not like that. So you have to keep stirring in between. And उसके बाद I would add my curry leaves. So I have these dried ones. So I prefer adding these curry leaves at the end. So basically all the ingredients go together once your oil has melted, and you have to keep stirring and keep an eye, okay. Do not leave your gas like that. Just kind of eyeball and see कि कितना अभी कितना cook हो रहा है and all those things. And one thing is for sure, please अपनी चिमनी को super high पे उसको on रखना, because your house kind of starts smelling like you're making curry pakoda. You know, if you like it, then it's really good, and like I like it, so it's kind of okay for me. So keep your chimney on high and keep stirring it. So after like 10 to 15 minutes, I would say that's what works for me. I kind of see that onions have gone brown and everything is kind of starting to, you know, change the color. So do not let them go black, okay? And also your oil shouldn't go black or dark brown. So हमें oil को burn नहीं करना है, हमें oil में सब कुछ cook करना है, if that makes sense. तो इसीलिए you have to keep stirring in between. You don't have to allow the things to kind of, you know, burn in the in your oil. So whenever you see this kind of color, which you can see now in the video, like whenever the curry patta and oil, the onions, they go like kind of brown in color, so that is the right time to kind of turn off your flame. And most importantly, abhi aapko kuch nahi karna, just keep the, you know, just keep it as it is and just cover it and do not touch it right away. It is super hot, you don't want to burn yourself or anything, you don't want any miss happening. Just keep it as it is, and after like half an hour or whenever you think it's the right time to, you know, touch it, then go ahead and use a strainer and usko pure oil ko ek alag se, you know, bowl ya kisi cheez mein dal ke just strain it through, and you will be left with just the oil, okay? That oil is now super rich in all the good things from all those ingredients that we have used. It is nicely and richly infused with, you know, the richness of onion, fenugreek seeds, curry patta, and if you have kalonji, then even that, okay? So now what we have to do is we have to use that oil, okay? So oil, obviously, please make sure it is like lukewarm. It is not hot at all. So इसको एक तो overnight नहीं लगाना. So whenever the morning you have to wash your hair, you have to basically apply just 1 hour prior to that. So ideally half an hour to 1 hour works pretty well for me. So what I do is I would sometimes take cotton or just using my finger only. I would just start, you know, kind of massaging into the roots of my hair, and do not go vigorously, because I don't know, I just feel like just give a very soft massage and just tie your hair and do the regular, you know, your chores or anything you are doing. And after half an hour to 45 minutes or half an hour to 1 hour, just give a nice wash and use a nice conditioner, whatever you would use generally. So you can use this oil twice a week. What I would generally do is I would make it for 1 week एक बारी में, and you can keep it in fridge or depending on the weather, whatever weather you have. Whenever you're using it next time, अगर वो by chance थोड़ा सा जम गया है, so just keep it in hot water to kind of let it defrost or, you know, melt naturally, and then you can apply it again. So that's what I do. So twice a week works pretty fine for me, and you will be able to see good results, that is for sure. Again, before using it, please do a patch test, because ingredients are now all natural and they can be kind of strong for someone and they can be pretty okay for someone. So kind of depends on individual to individual. So do a patch test. If you think it is irritating your scalp or something, please do not go ahead. For me, they were pretty fine. I was using onion juice पहले से ही, so they work pretty well for me. Only one thing, please do not keep it overnight. It's a very you know, oil जिसमें बहुत गर्म चीजें डलती हैं, so it can cause acne or, you know, redness or pimples. I don't know, I'm just telling you, I haven't kept it, but I've read about it. Hair oil को इतना ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं लगाना चाहिए, because I think it kind of, you know, creates protein buildup, which kind of creates a barrier, and do not allow the natural moisture to kind of get into your scalp and blah blah blah. So we don't want all of that. We want to apply something which is light, airy. इसलिए castor oil कभी भी अकेले मत लगाना, it's super thick, and you want to keep it for some time, just for the right amount of time, and then wash it, you know, condition your hair and just enjoy it. Whenever you're doing anything like that, if I were you, I wouldn't use heat on my you know, hair for the same day, because I would prefer, you know, giving my hair a bit of rest, so that कि थोड़ा सा उनको भी एक natural recovery का time मिले. Otherwise, if you are on the go, if you're doing something really extra for your hair or anything like that, and you're going an extra mile, obviously your hair will thank you for this little effort. So go and try this recipe and let me know in the comments below. Did it work for you? And if you already have been using something like this or any ingredient from this recipe on your scalp or for your hair pehle se hi, then please let me know that also. You know what I do? I'm so obsessed with all these ingredients that after washing my hair, I use the hair serum also, which is from the Natural Wash. It's a black seed hair serum. So it has kalonji and fenugreek and all those good things. I'm so much obsessed with all these ingredients that I use hair serum also, which has all the goodness of all these ingredients. So I use the Natural Wash black seed serum and it is actually really nice. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope this recipe works for you also. If you have any more tips that you would like to share with us, with the community, so before you go, please make sure you have liked the video, you are commenting on the video, and you are already subscribed to my channel. It would mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to my channel. And also please don't forget to hit on the bell icon, because that is one simplest way of letting you guys know whenever I upload my new video. So see you guys very soon, and lots of love.